What we're going to do here is take you through the little step-by-step process involved in using the Vernier Graphical Analysis app. Once you've downloaded it from the App Store, all you need to do is launch it, and you'll be presented with these options here. So you're going to walk down, select Manual Entry, and you're going to see a screen like this one. What I'm going to do in this case is to simulate an inverse graph by putting in some bogus data, but this is going to work as a nice simulation for what you're going to do. So what I'm doing right here is typing in numbers that multiply to equal 10. So I'm going to fake this and get a perfect inverse graph. What I'm going to do then, now that I notice the data points, is to reach down to the lower left hand, hit that icon down at the lower left, and choose Apply a Curve Fit. And the default is that it curve fits to a linear fit. We're going to go up and select the inverse fit. And you can see when I apply it that I get an R value that's incredibly good. The RMSE is the error. It's almost 0. That's because this data is bogus. The next thing you're going to do, though, is to go and use this graph to integrate. So we're going to ask to view the integral of this graph in just a second. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us the area under the graph that you can see right here. So with my bogus no unit situation, you can see I get an area of 24.48. What you're going to do is use real numbers, and in the next slide, you're going to go ahead and I'll show you what the units should look like as you set up your graph. In this graph, you can see what I've done here is I've gone up to this area right here. I've hit the 3 dots going horizontally. And I chose the option where I could change the settings on this, and I've just typed in the units of the graph and the correct titles for those. So once you do that, the integral will actually come out and it'll mean something, and that's why it's so important that you get the labels correct in this first setup. Okay, there you go.